Hey there, this is Tony of Local Brand Manager. Let's run through just a quick explanation on some GMB insights that you guys will be seeing in your local brand manager account. This is all available from your location's dashboard. So let's hit this location. This is the dashboard, and we're going down and see this. So you have two options to view your insights as some graphs and as cards. And this can be switched from here on the right under the export to CSV link. So very simply, driving directions, those are people that go to your listing and request driving directions. It's very simple and straightforward. Again, phone calls, now obviously your Google is only tracking the click of the button here. So someone's on mobile and they hit call, that's it. So that's not guaranteed to be a converted phone call. Someone could click the button and then back out, but that's how that's measured. Visits on website, again, very self-explanatory. Local post actions, call to actions. So those are people that are following your call to action on your local posts. Your local post view search, again, this is impression based. A lot of the stuff is going to be impression based. Customer photos count, how many photos have your customers uploaded? Merchant photos count, how many photos have you or the manager of the business or the business owner uploaded? And then customer photos views, again, how many of your customers' photos are being viewed and how many of your photos are being viewed. This is obviously views impressions. Direct queries, this is someone searching the brand or location of the business. So this is what you would attribute like the strength of your brand or other type of brand-based marketing, where people might see a billboard or hear a radio ad or something and Google the brand name. Indirect queries, this is where people are searching your roofer in your area or a restaurant near me. It's a categorical based searches. This is where you're mostly attributing like your SEO and where you're basically increasing your visibility for this type of queries. This is again an impression based and you're being seen for these queries. Chain queries, this is somewhat you're being found through the parent chain. So for example, if you run a Starbucks or you're managing Starbucks location and people are searching Starbucks in your city or Starbucks near me, stuff like that, it's going to attribute the search to the chain. It's going to identify the fact that people are using the chain to find you. This is really cool if you do any type of work with franchises because it allows you to really differentiate. Now, Starbucks, that's a very big brand, obviously, but as you get into some of the smaller franchises, a good example would be just going back to Starbucks. The difference between someone saying Starbucks near me or a coffee shop near me or coffee near me or whatever, and you kind of attribute marketing visibility and differentiate that from just chain exposure. Listing on maps, this is where you literally get impressions from maps.google.com. How are you being seen there? And listing searches, again through the Google search, and this also includes the local finder. So there's a quick explanation on the insights. Thank you guys.